quick and secure updo using a loop hairpin and a hair tie. Start by securing a ponytail with your hair tie, but on the last pass through, only pull the hair halfway so you have a loop on one side. Twist this loop upwards and lay flat against your head. Depending on the length of your hair, you can either leave your ends out or tuck them in. Using the loop-shaped hairpin, insert one leg of the hairpin through the hair tie and pull the hair upwards, flipping the pin, and push the legs of the hairpin into the base of the hairstyle at an angle through the remainder of the hair tie. To conceal the hair tie, simply fan the bottom section up to cover it. A different take on a quick updo made sleek and secure using a sturdy hairpin.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.